to celebrate Slavery Remembrance Day so that we remember the tragic and horrendous things that have happened in our past and not just forget about them because they were so awful, and acknowledge and remember the unfair stereotypes that have carried through to today.
I think it's important for Liverpool to remember the tragedy that it caused, how it affected Africa, as it took the most healthy and skilled men, women and children from Africa and thus made the economy crash, and it can't be as productive as it used to be, as it used to be a rich place to live.
Liverpool played an integral part in the transatlantic slave trade, and as a result we owe a debt. On one day, they commemorate the events of what happened. This results in many to be educated on what happened, resulting in it to be prevented from happening again.
It's important to keep the memories and experiences of those victims alive. These were real people. They were somebody's parents, or they were a child. But it isn't just about the past, it's about the present. Modern forms of the trade are with us now, and we need to do more to try and put an end to that.
As Liverpool played a very important part in the transatlantic slave trade, as it was one of the cities that benefited the most from it in England, I think it's important for not just Liverpool but for everyone to realise the enormous tragedy that it's caused.
So that we don't forget about the tragic things that have happened in the past and just sweep them under the rug.
And the fact that they were treated like animals and put in zoos it makes them dehumanised, and I think it's important for everybody to realise, to learn from our mistakes and make sure it never happens again.
And not only remember how they were enslaved, but remember the bravery and the courage of how they've kept their culture throughout all of it and how it's still here in our society today.
I looked at a postcard outside and it said that we all bleed blood, and I think that's a really valuable lesson to take away from this museum. You know, we're all equal, so just be kind to each other.